Today on Good to Go Garage, one of the cylinders hit eject on a spark plug on my wife's car. Yeah, that happened. Good old 4-6 blew the plug straight through the coil. And trust me, she did. There's what's left of the coil. And we got the old whiz bang. We're gonna whiz bang her out. So we got this nice helicoil kit. Got from my good friend Daryl, owns the parts store down the street. Had his arteries cleaned the other day, so he's doing a lot better. And this is the one. It's not exactly a helicoil. You screw this in there after you tap it, and then you take this tool, which has basically a tapered fit that flares this out and gets this caught in there, see? And then you're good. Let's get started. I don't know how much you're gonna see, but at least you'll see it done. Well, as you can see, we're sans threads, as in there is none. She was just a slapping around in there. And as you can see, there's no threads. It's smooth. All that, it's smooth in there. So I don't know if you can see that, but where it's all dented and stuff right there, that is the lip. That's the beveled edge that makes the compression seal. It was just, and beyond that, inside there, that smooth wall before the lip, this is the compression seal. And there's supposed to be threads right here, and there is none. And then this is inside the cylinder from there in, but from here to here is supposed to be threads. Nothing. But watch, I will show you threads. He sticks this mechanism in the hole, and a little bit of back and forth, but you don't want to see this, so when I'm done threading it, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that, but that right there is some threads. See that? So we threaded that hole with this bad boy. She caught, she's a little ripper. She just went straight through there. And and you're supposed to drill this out for 5/8. I use a 5/8 drill bit to drill this out before you do this, but with them with those stripped threads, she just went right through. Now what I'm gonna do is a couple douches with the brake parts cleaner on the plug and the Healy coil, and then I'm gonna try to send the Healy coil in there till it bottoms out, and then back this out, and then tap it to expand these the knurled part to the block itself, the threads, and should be good to go. Oh yeah. Mother son of a bitch. Well, I tapped this rod down in there, which I tapped this rod down in the spark plug hole. When you do, it goes in there and it pushes this knurled edge out, keeps it from backing out. I whacked the bejesus out of it, so we should be good. This is Save a Thread repair kit made by Helicoil 5334-14. This does the 5.3, the 4.7s, 4.6, excuse me, all those modular engines, and it comes with 3 different length helicoils. They're really not coils like the old school. They're an actual little threaded cylinder. It comes with this tapered punch to set the knurl, and this bad boy, they said you might have to drill it out to 5/8, but I just gave her full send. She was fine. Ate right through it like it wasn't even there. I actually didn't even know I went all the way in there until I looked. Well worth the $50. So I'll put that back on the shelf till we need it again. Hopefully not. I noticed them threads were getting a little light, but what are you gonna do? I'm gonna use the same plug. Some bitches is $6, $7 a piece. I'm gonna clean all the red thread lock off of it from sending that other thing in there, that threaded tube, cylinder, whatever, and I'm gonna hit it with some anti-seize and finish it. So like I said, all I'm gonna do is clean up that plug, get that thread lock off of there, put never seize on it, reassemble this whole thing. She's good to go. I just give it 24 hours, and this is a short one. Thanks for watching. That's better. This is a short one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hell yeah, America.